Okay, is that better? Oh my gosh. Let's carry on. If you're still here and if you can hear me, let me know and I'll carry on with our meditation. I know the beginning looks like it was silent. Let me know. Kevin, hi, can you hear me? Just checking sound. Yes, okay. Oh my God. Let's take a deep breath. My stomach, y'all, I'm ready for breakfast. Okay. Lily made this, my daughter, by the way. Isn't it beautiful? She created the picture, and then the school, actually the art department, sent it in an email, and I ordered this off of a website. But I thought it was just so beautiful. I'll show you here while we're taking a break. All right. Oh, good. Yay. I'm so glad I checked that. Here we go. All right. Lesson 322. I can give up, but what was never real. I sacrifice illusions, nothing more. And as illusions go, I find the gifts illusions try to hide, awaiting me in shining welcome and in readiness to give God's ancient messages to me. If you find value in this, or if you know anyone that could benefit from a meditative practice, please share this. His memory abides in every gift that I receive of him, and every dream serves only to conceal the self which is God's only Son. The likeness of himself, the Holy One, who still abides in him forever, as he still abides in me. Father, Mother, to you all sacrifice remains forever inconceivable, and so I cannot sacrifice except in dreams. As you created me, I can give up nothing you gave me. What you did not give has no reality. What loss can I anticipate except the loss of fear and the return of love into my mind? Amen. Welcome the return to love in our minds, in our hearts. I pray that you are open to love and experiencing love in your own way today, and that you can share love with someone else as well. This video is sponsored by Gateway Healthcare Services. I want to give you some information. If you're still here, let's support my sponsor. Gateway Healthcare Services, LLC is located in Calvert County in Dunkirk, Maryland, and they offer same-day telehealth services for medical cannabis evaluations, consultation, and certification. We are a holistic services center. There are certified licensed providers, doctor and a nurse practitioner who are Maryland certified and also have their master's in cannabis science from the University of Maryland School of Pharmacy. And they are offering certifications and help for the community. We're giving the highest level of care. That's the goal here, to provide comfortable environment, confidential atmosphere. We follow all the HIPAA guidelines that your typical medical facility does follow. Let's begin your healing. If you want to know if you qualify, just go to their website, gatewayhealthcareservices.com. I will put the link below. Actually, they're sponsored on my website, so we'll share that as well, because we have some workshops coming at the center. And I'll give you a brief forward-facing look. The first few that we will be having to launch are going to be women's wellness, of course, and they're going to be holistic focused workshops. So these are going to be, again, a series of classes for women who want to improve their wellness. So what we're going to start with is at the beginning, because that's where life starts, at birth. So we're going to do a birth and babies Sunday. It's going to include meditative practices to remove the fear of your birth journey. It's going to include some love meditations to offer for children and parents to be able to experience love together, whether you're a step parent, a foster parent, a guardian, a grandparent. These are going to help to solidify an emotional attachment and help with children's, the symptoms that come along with things like ADHD and ADD tend to be resolved through states of meditation. Science has proven this, and I'm here to help guide our community into this. So the last thing we'll be offering is an entheogen for stress workshop. And if you don't know what an entheogen is, it is you can describe it as a chemical composition. It's typically a plant that is used for medical health challenges, which continue to plague people. And it basically is a way to remove ourselves from our physical health challenges. So we're going to be providing all of this and more at our center on Sundays. So please feel free to go to seraphimholistics.com. You can follow us on Facebook. I'll put the Facebook page here. We just really are here to help the community and express love, you know, to those that are looking for this and needing a healing practice. A healing practice. That's what we're looking for. So easy. This is easy. We're not doing anything difficult here. We just want to express that. Easy is what we're looking for. So click the link below if you want to follow on the fan page. That is where the events are going to be posted. All the events I mentioned will be posted on the fan page. Don't worry if you're not in Maryland. Some of these things will be accessible to the communities outside of Maryland. I think it's beautiful that we can help the community here in a really broad spectrum platform on social media. So thank you for joining. Thank you. If you find value, please share this video. If you think that there is someone else who could value from this kind of information, these kind of holistic services and education, please share with them. And I love you. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.